Hello everyone, welcome to GRE Question of the Day. Today we will discuss a question on ratio and proportion, which is one of the most interesting as well as important concepts in GRE mathematics. As you can see, our today's question is a numeric entry question, wherein it is given that Jenny has a factory that produces gear shafts at the rate of 250 gear shafts per hour. Next, it is given for a particular order she needs 3000 gear shafts within the next 10 hours, and we are asked to calculate what must be the percentage increase in the rate of production so as to complete the order within the given time. Before we move on, I would request you all to pause this video and try solving this question on your own. In case you couldn't do it, do not lose hope since I am here to help you out. Before we move on to the detailed solution, let us take a quick glance at the correct answer. As you can see, the correct answer is 20, or Jenny needs to increase the rate of production by 20%. Let us see how we arrived at this particular answer. Now, according to the question, the original rate of production is 250 gear shafts per hour. Let us indicate this by OR. Next, we need to find the new rate of production, which is indicated by NR. It is given to us that she needs to make 3000 gear shafts in 10 hours, and hence the new rate will be 3000 by 10, thus equal to 300 gear shafts per hour. Thus, the percentage increase in the rate of production is equal to the change in the rate of production by the original rate of production into 100. That is 300 minus 250, which is the change in rate of production, divided by the original rate of production, that is 250, into 100, which is equal to 50 by 250 into 100. And on simplification, we get the answer as 20. I hope you guys could follow this solution. In case you couldn't, please pause this video and go through the typed solution here. With this, we come to an end of our today's session. We'll be back soon with more videos. Until then, keep studying hard. Thank you and all the best.